This is room number one, bedroom number one, which is lovely. Has a closet with some slippers, which is lovely. And there is a bathroom in here with a soaking tub and a nice shower, really, really nice shower. And a double sink. And then in the other room, which is really nice, is we have this seating area with a kitchen, and there's a TV here. And this is one of the biggest villas. This is the biggest and nicest villa we have, and it is more expensive. It's $160 US per night. Just to give you an idea of how much it costs. This is Nathan's room. He has his own room. And I think he has his own, he may have his own thermostat too. It's just some nice touches. They have the turtleback ceilings, some nice lighting over the bed. And he also has the double sinks, bathtub, and a nice shower. So we're only gonna be here 2 nights, or I'm gonna be here 2 nights. Nathan's only gonna be here 1 night. And it's a bit of overkill, but it is very nice. And they're gonna bring us breakfast in the morning, which is lovely. And we're planning on going to Nusa Penida tomorrow to try to go snorkeling with the manta rays, but we'll see. That's my room tour. This is the morning view of our pool, our little seating area and an umbrella. Nathan and I think we'll probably get in maybe later, or just kind of hang out here. It's kind of lovely with the waterfall. It's the second place we've had that has this kind of like waterfall on the wall. It has a little seating area. It's really quite lovely and relaxing.